Okay, guys, we are back with a part 2.
No, I have to go last because
No, I am. And we are racing them. See, we made a ramp. You go down that, and then you go to the end. And if you go off the carpet, it doesn't mean anything.
no.
So-
If you go off right here, that means the finish line.
Hi, guys.
is right
Yeah, the finish line is right. No, we should make the finish line right here, because what if it doesn't make it that far?
here. Too bad.
We should make it this lit.
No.
Okay.
Okay, someone grab a pencil and paper.
It's not gonna make it that far. It's not.
Someone go grab that pencil over there and grab a piece of paper. Over there, Noah, on the windowsill.
Okay, we'll just try it.
Bear destruction.
Is this going to be a test round or the real run? Is this going to be a test round or the real run?
I didn't do this.
Test round.
Okay, I'll
Let's see if it will make it this far.
David, I think they like your face. You look so scary.
Okay, ready? Set, go.
Wait, redo that, man.
Wait, go again.
No, we should make this the finish line. Okay, here we go. You think?
Yep, we're adding another ramp.
Yeah.
Ramp. We're adding another ramp.
Well, the only reason our things
No,
bad
no.
is because we are limited
That can be the
resources.
backstop. That can be the backstop. Just for. We don't need another ramp, Liam. It's too steep.
Alright.
Go,
Who's
Who's second?
Make it a little steeper.
Liam. You're second. Go.
Wait, no, restart the first person.
All right.
This is test round and go.
Oh no!
Guys, I actually got it.
Man down.
I actually got it. Precision.
Destruction.
You got exactly 1 second.
1 second.
Okay, go again.
You freaking care, bro.
I wasn't ready for it.
Wow, your guys' cares are bad.
Wait, so
Who's
Noah.
yours?
David's. You guys, this is David's car. This thing is cool.
Go check out his channel.
Yeah,
He
he
did a video
actually
on
made a
making this.
video of last night of him making this. Pretty nice, Dragster. Stop. Then we got my big square bus.
It's not even.
Oh, and actually I've got like a little window with a stormtrooper. Then in the back I've got like a Darth Vader guy.
And then
Kick the car.
I want to go one more time.
alright. No, it's finished.
Yeah, Liam. Guys, this is Liam.
I didn't start it.
It did a flip.
I didn't
Who took
start
that
it.
away?
Take this away?
No, who took that away? Who took the away?
Oh, piece broke off.
Guys,
We
I
got
think
some action.
I think we should have this one instead of the taller one.
I mean, since
I
you
didn't say start.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, start.
Your
We got
guys' cares are
101.
bad.
mine actually technically made it.
Go check Liam's channel out too, guys. Liam Porter. Check mine out.
Before this wheel can go.
Guys, check mine out. The Bob Saget channel.
Let's see how far this can go.
Okay, so it's.
Wait, I'm gonna
my
test.
turn, I guess.
I'm gonna test our.
Oh, David, he's going. Here, I'll grab it.
Someone type me.
Oh
Someone type me.
no! This is how you test.
Oh!
I'm testing out a wheel.
Okay, guys, I
made it!
I won.
I win.
I'm dragging.
I'm dragging.
Okay, this is my practice one. I didn't get to practice yet.
Okay, here's our practice. Let's see how good he does.
Yes.
1, 2.
What is it? Too long, bro.
You went too early. 1, 2, 3. Backwards, and you got.
No, you're supposed
10
to do
minutes.
it when it stops here.
That
Okay.
was really
Or when
good.
it stops.
3, 2.
Wait, just a moment.
Noah, stop. 3, 2,
Just a moment.
1, go.
I didn't
3. Why are you going backwards?
Because it's easier.
3, 2, 1, go.
Epic video
0.72.
fail.
He actually made it. That was pretty good. Okay,
Awesome.
love
Here we have the pigeon. It's ugly as heck, so we're just gonna do that.
Okay, guys, I am going to do
Wait, you
mine.
dropped a tire or something. Someone dropped a tire.
Was it me?
Okay, guys,
Well, I'm not ready yet.
if you wanted to see my face,
Just so you know,
I'll show you real fast.
Just getting familiar with it.
We.
This is my face, guys. So yeah, Hi.
Like I can make really hard jumps like this.
Okay, so
Okay, so 3, 2, 1, start.
well, his actually kind of made it. His made it.
Savage, how long?
It was actually. It wasn't this. It was 20 seconds before this. Or at least 40 seconds before this. Fine, just go again, go again, go again.
Go game.
Okay, 3, 2,
I'm gonna get to some film. Oh, his guy thing kind of broke.
No.
So there's his guy. Can't get it in the focus.
Hey, Avery,
It's a Mandalorian.
I'll play Minecraft or something. No.
Yeah.
I'm playing on Skyblock.
Okay.
He actually got
This
72 as well.
this was my little Lego guy.
Wait, what time was mine?
72.
Nine. Avery, let's play our 1.12.2. Minecraft.
Wait, here. I'm gonna raise Avery's. I want to see how fast hers go. Please
Avery,
time
go
me.
on our server.
So
Let me see. The McLaren. Go to the McLaren.
So 3, 2.
Avery, I made a second cobblestone gem, by the way, in the house.
can I help this?
Or whatever you
3,
want it to be.
6.
There's a person in the chat.
I don't know what happened.
Oreos are vegan.
I am terrible at this. Want me to put it down?
Not.
Is vegan
Okay, guys.
vegetarian? Vegan, you don't eat or
Well,
use
I didn't know
anything that comes from an animal, even if the animal was harmed or not. So you can't have cheese, milk,
80
eggs,
seconds.
meat, dairy.
80 seconds. That was
Pretty
okay.
much you're a poor person. I have a friend who's vegan.
Well, yeah. We're gonna end that video right here, guys. See you next time on our next video.
You got 3rd place.
And if you want to see more daily vlogs, comment down in the comment section down below what we want to do. What you want us to do. Goodbye.
Boy.